The Medusa Nebula was discovered in 1955 by the American astronomer George Ogden Abell, who immediately catalogued it in his catalog of such objects under the designation Abell 21. The Medusa Nebula is located in our sky in the constellation Gemini, and the distance to it is about 1,500 light-years, or 460 parsecs. At the moment, the nebula's expansion rate is slowing down to about 50 kilometers per second. Despite this, the Medusa Nebula has already grown in diameter to about 4 light-years. Initially, there was an assumption that the Medusa Nebula is the remnant of a supernova. However, a little later they still came to the conclusion that this is a planetary nebula. And sometime later, the remains of a red giant were discovered, which shed its shell approximately 6,000 or 7,000 years ago. Now what is left of the once giant star can be called a formed young and rather hot white dwarf. Now, being almost in the center of the nebula, it intensively heats the gas with its ultraviolet radiation, which visually appears in the images of this object as a nebulous glow. Structures reminiscent of writhing snakes, which were instead of hair in the mythological Gorgon Medusa, are the glowing fibers of the nebula. They consist of areas of red and weaker greenish glow. These are hydrogen and oxygen, respectively. At the moment, the study of the Medusa Nebula and its central white dwarf continues.